Hi, my name is Romano Roth, and today we are going to look at what is the difference between Agile and Waterfall. Let's have a look. Both processes are starting with an initial idea which should go into production. In the Waterfall process, we are going to look at the whole idea and analyze what are the requirements for this whole idea. When this is done, we are going to design and specify what is needed. We do the requirements engineering and we are going to do the architecture. When the architecture is there and all the requirements are specified, then we are going to implement the whole system. And after the implementation is completely done, we are going to test the whole system and then deploy it into the production system where the customer can use then this idea. As you can see, this is also why it is called the waterfall process. From each of these process steps, you go into the next process step like in a waterfall way. When we look at Agile is an iterative or incremental approach where we build stuff incrementally. So here we have also the initial idea, but the initial idea is then broken down into a minimal viable product, MVP, where we say, okay, what is really needed to test this initial idea in production? We break that down into user stories, which is in the analysis phase. We make perhaps a small solution design where we say how we are going to build that, and then we are building this initial idea, this MVP, so that we are able to test it and also then deploy it, so that we can have a review meeting together with the business and show them very fast what we have built, if our understanding was correct, if this is what they want. And with that we have that feedback cycle that is very needed, where we also can adjust now, because now we have the feedback and we can again go into the analysis phase, again look, do we have the right MVP, is it the right thing? Again, do the user stories, make a small design of it, then implement it, and again test and deploy it, so that we again can show it to the business in a short cycle if it is really what they wanted, and then we can launch the product into production. With this approach, we are able to reduce the waste, because we always can adjust to the user needs, to the customer needs, to the business needs, what is really needed, and also together we are able to learn on this journey, versus in the waterfall way where we're not able to learn, because we will do upfront designs and implementation, and at that point it will be too late to make any adjustments. So in my opinion, I always prefer the Agile way over the waterfall way.